Old Bill's Pest Control is our name. Get rid of pests. That's our aim. Any size, big or small. We don't care. We do them all. If you lay awake at night, terrified, bedbugs bite, don't you worry. Have no fear. Call Old Bill's because we're right here. Now our song is nearly sung. When the wasp season comes, don't get stung. If there's a rat causing you strife, let me know. I'll send the wife. So if you have a terrible pest, call Old Bill's because we're the best. We're trained to deal with them. Let your pest be our problem. Bring it on, bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. Old Bill's Pest Control. What's trapping? Not much rapping.
How much practicing was there over the weekend for that?